What would be your empire building vision?
Very big in the
I
sense
know.
that
Yeah.
I had somebody come to me very early in the days of raising capital for this company that said, I can raise you 20 million faster than I can raise you 2 million.
It's true.
And the whole mentality is we want to hear a story. What would you do with that? And that got our brains running, because I do think you need to make sure for investors, when you take your money, you have to take that seriously. And that goes back to the justness that you've been speaking about throughout us speaking with one another. You have a responsibility to that money, and I'll do everything in my power to make sure it not only gets them their money back, but there's a large return at the end of the day. But the first thing you need to do is showcase that you can take that money and you can generate it into more money. You need to have a revenue model of some sort. That's
A real business.
The base and the foundation, right? And a lot of mining plays don't do that. They only think big. Like, you can think big. Why not start small, show proof of concept, then start showing how big it can get? So that's exactly what we did with Noosa Nickel, where we wanted to gain our access to this. But we started off as just with our production license, and we tapped on to a third-party EU, which is what they call their mining permits. And we're operating through there. We pay a royalty so that we got there quickly. We make a little bit less than our margins, but we showed profit, we showed revenue, we showed proof of concept. Well, then in August of this year, now we have our trader's license.